Hey there, thank you for watching this clip on finding axis of symmetry. In order to find axis of symmetry, we do, unfortunately for a lot of students, we do have to use completing square to figure out where the vertex is. So the step is pretty much the same as in finding vertex form. So let's get started. When the coefficient is not 1, we're going to have to pull the coefficient out first. Okay. Then I'm going to do is take care of the first two terms, which is really 4 over 6x here. I'm going to leave this constant way outside. The reason is that it doesn't factor into my consideration. I'm going to add a number, subtract a number. The reason I want to add a number, subtract a number within the parentheses here is I want to factor the first three, thus the name completing square. Okay, so the magic number I'm going to put in this first box is this. It's half of whatever the coefficient is in front of x. That's the number in front of x. For my case, it's minus 4 over 6. And when I get that, I'm going to square it. Okay, so for our case here, I have a half times 2 over 3 squared. So for our case, is 1 over 9. So let's go back there and put it in there. So I have x squared minus, let's simplify this a little bit. It's 2/3 plus 1 over 9. The reason I have to subtract 1 over 9 right away is I have to keep other constants, other terms equal to what I started with. If I just simply added the 1 over 9 without subtracting it, I've changed what I started with. Okay, once we get over here, we're going to factor those two. That's completing square, which is minus 1/3 squared. So minus 1 over 9. Minus 1. So we're almost there. I'm going to distribute the 6 in for this term and for this term. Okay, so I have 6. Do not open this perfect square that we worked so hard to get. Okay, next one is 6 over 9 minus 1. Okay, so let's, for the sake of completeness, let's finish that number over here. 6 over 9 is really 2 over 3. So I have minus 5 over 3. Okay, so thus I got into my vertex form. My vertex here, even though they're not asking, is you're going to set this one equal to 0. So x minus 1/3 equal to 0. That gives us x equal to 1/3. And y is equal to minus 5 over 3. That's my vertex. The vertex gave us the location of the symmetry. And that's, here's my vertex. Okay, so this line that's going up and down, on the test you have to remember this is up and down. So the only thing you have for this line is x. X is equal to 1/3 is the x of symmetry. And the vertex itself has a coordinate of 1/3 minus 5 over 3. All right, so that's the answer. Well, let me know if this one was helpful to you. This is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. Join this channel for more updates. Together, we can conquer math. Till next time, have a confident day.